Hello guys, how are you all? Today we are going to talk about
the new OMEN X Laptop.
This gaming beast has a 17-inch stunning diagonal screen that supports 4K or 120Hz frame rate at 180p display, and it also has RAID 0 configurability option, which means you can pair two SSDs, solid state drives, for faster performance, and is equipped with Intel's Core HK series processors and NVIDIA's G-Sync technology that eliminates steering of objects shown on the screen. And this gaming monster also comes with factory overclocked NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 or GTX 1080 graphic cards, which means limitless and extreme gaming experience. And with RGB LED mechanical keyboard with customizable color for every key, you can show your style and choose the color you want. And the travel of the keyboard is 2.5mm with N-key rollover, which means that each key is scanned completely independently by the keyboard's hardware, so that each key is pressed correctly regardless of how many other keys are pressed or held down at that time. And there are a lot of options for ports. There are 3 normal USB ports, 1 on the back and 2 on both sides, 1 for the left and 1 for the right. Power port and card reader are also on the right. On the left, with a normal USB connector, there are also 2 headphone jacks and 1 Ethernet cable, 2 USB Type-C connectors, an HDMI connector, and a mini display port are also on the back. And in this ultimate gaming portable machine, there's a DDR4 memory supporting Intel's XMP, and with single panel access to HDD, SSDs and RAM, you can upgrade and change them with ease at any time you want and anywhere. This laptop has several variants with different prices, but the starting point of the OMEN X Laptop by HP is $1,799.99 and can go up to $2,700. So guys, the official video of the laptop is coming up. Sit back and enjoy the video.
This is the first ever OMEN X Laptop for gamers that go to extremes. Gear up with the machine designed for total domination and engineered for gaming in stunning 4K. Equipped with the latest Intel Core processors, it gives you the power to be relentless. With a 17.3-inch diagonal screen and desktop-class graphics, you get maximum performance to be victorious anywhere. With multiple fans and large exhaust vents, heat is transferred away from critical components for dynamic overclocking. Ramp up boot times, game loading, and overall system responsiveness with optional RAID 0 SSD configurability. An RGB LED backlit mechanical keyboard lets you program each individually lit key to create customized key maps that switch seamlessly between games. With 2.5mm travel and in-key rollover, you can take out your competition with more accuracy and precision. Designed for extreme immersion, DTS Headphone X technology comes built in for surround sound experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. With the addition of a VR headset, gamers can step inside a completely immersive world for an elevated gaming experience. Single panel access to key components makes serviceability and upgrading easy, so you won't be sidelined or held back on your road to supremacy. It has a brushed aluminum finish on an armor-like chassis. A jet fighter-like construction with hidden lift hinges ensures you're always at the ready. And with striking lighting effects and see-through window to components, others will know too. Unleash your fiercest gameplay anywhere with the extreme performance of the new OMEN X Laptop.